Hello everyone, today we will warm up our hips and stretch our mobility hips for having a middle split. So stay with me and we will get started. First exercise which we will do, we will take our one knees and start move up and back. 2, back, 3, back, 4, back. Strong leg and change on the left leg. So we start 1, we start 2, 3, 4. Take 2 legs together and start moving our body in one side and change. It's 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try to take our stretch legs. Take our hands behind our body and slowly breathe out and stretch in this pose. So good work. After that, we'll take 2 legs together. Take our breath. Slowly breathe out and relax in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So good work. I hope that you like the stretching and feel good. So thank you for your follow, likes and subscribe. Bye bye.